Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make this super simple peach crumble pie. So for this recipe, I use flour, lemon, cinnamon, sugar, butter, fresh peaches, and salt. Start with washing and cutting the peaches. I chose to leave the skin on, but you can remove it as well. It all depends on your personal preference. I like adding some lemon zest to the peaches to add some citrus flavor to the pie. Add a bit of salt and add cinnamon, add sugar, and here I am squeezing in some fresh lemon juice. Mix it and set it aside to allow the peaches to soak up all of these precious flavors. In a different bowl, combine the flour with cinnamon and sugar, and here I am working the butter into the flour using my hands. And after a few minutes of doing so, I have my crumble topping. Now I am greasing my pie dish with butter. You can opt to layer the peaches like I'm doing here, but you can also just pour it into the dish. Cover the peaches with a crumble topping. And bake it in a preheated oven of 175 Celsius for approximately 45 minutes. As you can see, this was super easy to make. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.